Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Well, if you want to lock your home screen layout like this, and then you can do the following steps. First thing first, you can go to the settings menu. After that, here you can scroll down, and then you can choose home screen option. Okay, and then you can activate lock home screen layout option. Okay, and then the home screen layout on your device is successfully locked. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.